Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to create project templates in Todoist. First things first, you'll want to open up Todoist and navigate to the project you want to turn into a template. The reason we do this is because it allows us to duplicate a project's tasks, subtasks, and other details into a format that can be used again and again. This is a huge time saver when you have projects with similar structures. Now that we've selected our project, you'll see the Project Actions icon represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option Export as a template. Doing this helps us because it will generate a file that you can use to create new projects, saving you from repeating the same organization steps each time. Next up, you'll be provided with 2 options, as a file or as a shareable URL. Choose as a file if you prefer to have a downloaded copy of the template that you can use offline. On the other hand, choosing as a shareable URL creates an online link that you can share with others. This is particularly handy when you're working with a team and need to share the same project structure. Once you've made your choice, Todoist will automatically create the project template. You can now use this template to create a new project with the same structure and tasks as the original one. This step is important because it keeps consistency in your workflow and ensures that no task is overlooked. Now, creating a new project from a template is just as easy. Simply click on the plus button next to Projects on the left sidebar, and then select Import from Template. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to create and use project templates in Todoist. This will not only boost your productivity, but also save you the stress of organizing similar projects from scratch. That wraps up our guide on creating project templates in Todoist. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.